Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Hyundai Bayon. First of all, I'm just going to, because my phone's connected to it at the moment, Hyundai motors, I'm just going to delete that. Forget this device, forget. So we've got a clean slate here. Then we go into phone. Helps if you don't have Mars bar fingers. And you'll see there John's iPhone, Barry's iPhone, add new settings, cancel. So add new settings, into settings, phone connections, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 15, delete devices. That's the one we want to delete. Barry's iPhone Pro, delete. Deleting the device also deletes its call history. Yes. That's it, gone.